the high five. How do you wave? Yep.
Reefer Nation.
Oh, the name of the book?
Mm-hmm.
What's your name?
Steve Olson. I was born in Augusta, Georgia, and then I moved all around the country, and I grew up and started skating in Tacoma, Washington when I was 11. Future, I'm looking forward to traveling a lot. I don't know, I've just been like stoked on just like skating. Lately it's just like fun, you know, just skating. I've been having a lot of like genuine like good times on my board lately. It's pretty cool.